Hi, I am Nagesh Kumar Patil from MICE Computer Education, Kapkal Road, Ballari. Today, let's discuss about how to create a company in Tally. To create a company in Tally, first double click on Tally ERP9 icon from desktop, where we can see the gateway of Tally screen with the company information options. In the company information options, we can see the select company, login as remote user, create company, backup, restore, and quit. So as I said, today's session is about how to create a company. Click on create company. When we click on create company, it opens a application called as a company creation. And here the directory, I have set a directory name as a C drive Ganesha, where our created company will be stored in this particular directory, and type the name on what name we are going to create a company. So now I'll give as a Vinay Books Paradise, Books Paradise, and the same name will be in the mailing name, and the address, we can type the address of the company where the company is located. So what the address we have given here, this address will be printed on the bills, what you're going to make it printed on, like sales bills and the purchase bills. In the country, select the country, and afterwards from the list of states, let's select the state as a, okay, here I'm selecting as a Karnataka, and pin code. We can give this pin code. These options are compulsory, we have to provide. And here in the contact details, these are all the optionals over here. If we provide these, as I said earlier, these details will be printed on the bills, fax number, email ID, website. So as we know that our day-to-day in our day-to-day life, we opt for a calendar year, but whereas in the business, we go forward financial year, and financial year starts from the 1st April. And in the books beginning from, we can give any date between which falls between the 1/4/2021 to 31st March 2022. So here I'll take the same date, 1/4/2021. And if in security control, if our transaction should be confidential, means then we can provide the password. If there is no need to give the password, just go on pressing the enter key until we get accept box. So now you get the accept yes or no. Just press the accept. When you press accept here, so we can see that the Tally creates a company in the name of Vinayaka Book Paradise, and you can see the current period from 1/4/2021 to 31st March 2022, and current period from what date we have started a business. That name has, that particular date has been displayed, and here it shows the date of last transaction. As we have not entered any transactions, so it shows us no vouchers entered. So thank you. I hope you understood how to create a company. Once again, thank you.